Okay, what up, guys? We are here. We're waiting for my colleague over here to join in the Golden Cyclops God. So, that does not tickle. But, I'm kind of waiting for him to get in. I'm at the mine right here. I got this mine. We're doing Toolbox survival stuff. This app called Toolbox is really easy. It's like an editor app, but we're using it to play. Because we're weird. And we like to play like that. Okay. So, I like doing this stuff. It's fun to just fly around. So, yeah. I'm just right now straightening out the mine. Stop, please. Shut up.
Why does that say "bow"?
Because it says "bow shit." Because when you get shot.
Why?
Because when you get shot by it, what you're gonna be saying is a "bow shit."
No.
I've hit
What
you.
is in that?
Slime.
Huh. I hope your game quits.
I hope it does too, because that'll be aggravating.
Yeah. Hey, what? Hey, your game did that. My game logged on.
That is ironic.
And mine would not get on Minecraft when yours was on it.
Okay, well, we're the weird. We're the weird. Just don't do anything.
I'm not. I'm doing is turning my skin. Turning.
X-ray vision says go. Oh, my finger. Did you just punch me and like break your hand?
No.
I remember that time when you thought you broke your ankle because you kicked me. You're just like, oh, my foot.
No, I hit you right here.
You kicked me in the shin.
Yeah, I kicked you in the shin and I hit you with this part of my leg.
So you kicked me in the shin with your shin.
Yeah, pretty much. And it hurt like...
That's your shin, by the way. That thing right there.
I know.
This right here. That's your shin. Okay, so I'm gonna stay as far away from those freaking slimers as I can.
Yeah, because they seem to hate you and make your game glitch.
Is this freaking... Okay, I'll turn that on. Okay, well, okay. Should I just fly up and shoot them all?
Yeah.
Or at least a couple of them.
Hi.
Hi, guys. Get my babies.
I mean, just kill him. What the?
I'm leaving 3.
Dude, you know what app I wish we had?
What app?
Was that one, mod where if you hold a torch, it lights up.
Oh, that would be so cool.
Oh!
Are you gonna come work at the mine?
Yeah, I just have no idea where the mine is.
It's in the giant Grand Canyon thing.
Oh, okay.
I'm trying to get as much iron as I can. Or enough stone.
Grand Canyon! No. Is it right here? No, wait. No, that's not it. What the is it? I found it.
I need just an empty shulker box.
I got a white one.
I've got like a bunch of them. I'm gonna empty my inventory into this before I go mining. So, like, should we turn off keep inventory?
No.
But it'd make it much funner.
How about
And there's no point of having keep inventory if you have everything already.
Well, I don't have everything I need.
Like, yeah, but there's no point of doing it if you can fly and everything. We should have some kind of punishment for dying. I'm turning it off.
Hold up. Okay, you can do it.
Okay. Okay, so if you die, you lose all your stuff. But you can
Don't
teleport.
kill me.
So, just don't die in lava, I guess.
Yeah.
And guys, if you have something like this that you paid emeralds for, well, you can get that back. You're allowed to re-gift that, so.
What?
Like a bow with like a super high enchantments or something. Or like my boots with super high enchantments.
Well, oh, you can only get it like that
boots
once.
needs fixed.
Dude, I'm just following the rail.
It'll end here in a second.
Crap. I'm just gonna let this rail fall.
But yeah, you get paid for what you turn in. For what you turn in. And if you have something with fortune on it, you're not allowed to just mine everything and like put everyone out of business.
Yeah, because that would be kind of a douchey mood.
I mean, that's what I do, but I own the company, so.
Yeah, because you're a jerk.
I own the company.
You're still a jerk. I got stuff to turn in already.
How much of what?
12 blocks of gold, 20 pieces of iron, and 2 stacks of coal.
2 sacks of cobble.
Cola!
Oh, coal. Oh, that's worth quite a bit, I guess. I mean, all that together is worth at least a stack and a half of freaking emeralds.
Get my stack and a half of emeralds.
Not right yet, you don't.
Until the end of the day?
Yeah. Or when we're done mining.
I am done mining. That's all I want.
Or you can keep the stuff. Actually, no, I need all this stuff.
I'm keeping half the emeralds.
So half the stuff that you got?
No, half of the iron.
Oh, iron's the most valuable thing there, though. That's kind of what I was going to pay the most for, because I kind of need the iron.
Well, I need some iron too, you know.
Okay, if you say so.
Okay, isn't it 6 pieces of iron for a chest plate? No, wait, 8. Yeah, 8.
Yeah, it's 8.
I gave you 14 and I have 14.
Okay.
Dude, I like this toolbox because you can see how if you need to save your armor and your tools, you know how many blocks and stuff.
Oh, yeah, I like that. Can you even see how many blocks of whatever you have?
No, not the blocks. I mean how many blocks your pickaxe can do.
I didn't know that it was counting by blocks.
Yeah.
I thought it was counting by durability.
No.
Oh. I'm dumb.
Yeah.
Thanks for pointing that out, bud.
You're welcome. Dude, like, never mind.
I'm going to run out of emeralds eventually.
Yeah, you are.
And people are going to start paying me because I'm poor.
Don't make me laugh because I'm literally about to laugh so hard I might die.
Okay, we got like 6 minutes left.
What?
Of time.
Oh, yeah.
I think I'm going to kick into overtime though. Which is annoying, but it's okay. Cool.
I'm only giving you 8 pieces of iron. Ow!
Why'd you have to yell? I have 26 iron, 17 gold.
Dude, I'm just walking around, just admiring the landscape. Die. No. I'm giving you 9 pieces of iron. Did I just see redstone? Yes, I saw redstone. How much is redstone worth?
Not very
Yay!
much. Not very much considering you get like 12 each block of mine.
Dude, I got 5 pieces of redstone. Oh, that I thought a spider was redstone.
Mine, if I mine something with what the? If I mine redstone with my pickaxe, I'll get like 1,000,000 pieces because my pickaxe has fortune on it, like times 1,000,000. Are you shot by something?
No,
No, it's a
I'm
spider
trying not
stabbing me.
to go in lava.
Oh. Oh, I forgot we lose our inventory.
Yeah.
I'm sitting here just flying around lava all the time. I'm just like, oh.
And what if you just do this, go into lava? I'm like,
That's when I was just like,
I would be laughing my butt off. Oh, he's in water. Thank God. Oh my God, I almost died by a creeper because I was at low health.
you still take damage from them.
No,
If they're in water, you will. If you're close enough.
barely.
They don't blow nothing up, but you'll still take damage like dynamite if it's in water. And it
Yeah, I
blows
know
up.
that, but barely. Dude. Yeah, dude, if you just pay attention, look.
Are you even
right
recording?
Here. No. One right here, that's 23. Mind that? 22. So then you know when it's about to run out, and you don't have to be like, and you're like, oh, it's gonna break in a moment, and just be worrying about every block. Do you have any food?
Only bread.
No way, I got some food and some rotten flesh. I'm actually gonna cook that stuff.
Oh, it doesn't work in this version?
What?
Shooting gravel to make it fall.
No, I've tried 100 times. Just hates me.
I'll also pay a lot for gold.
I got a lot of gold.
Because I need golden apples. Thank God for the water. I flew to catch a piece of gold.
Did you catch it?
Yeah, I did catch it.
Oh. Crap. I didn't say a thing. Dude, what if I give you smelted iron? Awesome! I'll smelt the gold too. Ow! My...
I have 22 gold on me and my phone's dead.
Ha!
Okay, how long do we have? We have 12 minutes. Or two or 3 minutes. So I'm teleporting back up to my house.
Oh, I found a lot of gold and a lot of iron.
Oh, well, I'm back at my house. Do you want to end this video off doing a battle again?
But, where's gonna get all this stuff?
You might want to empty out anything you don't want in your inventory, other than 2 emeralds.
No. Oh, thank God. Thank God, thank God, thank God. Thank God I cooked some food. I would have died. Yeah.
Okay, we have a total of 2 minutes. Yeah, like 2 minutes. You gonna get fighting?
Hold up, let me teleport to you. Because I gotta put some stuff.
Don't teleport yet. I'm in the air.
Well, hurry up.
My spawn point's over here. Don't forget keep inventories off, so you lose something, you lose it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I don't have my 2 emeralds.
up, I need teleport.
But screw it, just teleport to me.
No, I can't. Don't do it. Get on its outside. Wow.
There you go.
I'll tell you when. Okay.
Okay, you're over there. I'm over here. By the way, we cut out the middle. And added platforms.
Oh, you suck.
Oh yeah, you fall, you're falling. Okay, you wanna get up here and fight?
No, I have to put some stuff I need away.
Well, you might want to hurry. Because we're already going into overtime. By a lot. And after we're done with this video, we can get what? Supper. Or you can. Come on, dude.
No, I need that. I'll put those away.
Ooh, I need something that I didn't grab. I'm gonna go grab it real quick. Where's my ender pearls? They're all right here. Cool. We are a total minute over. Okay, I'm ready.
I'm almost.
Why don't you just turn on one tap stack? So much easier.
Shut up.
Oh, by the way, there's lava underneath the bottom ring.
What?
Yeah, you fall down there and you hit that
Dude,
lava.
could we actually build blocks in there?
We're in the lava?
No, I mean in the arena.
No, you're not allowed to place nothing. Now later, when I actually make a big arena, like I'm going to, eventually it's going to be a big one right there. Right over there in that empty field where your puny little house is.
Hey!
For the Hunger Game map.
You know I haven't, like, done it. Had been able to do
Yeah, but I'm going to get rid of that house right there and put an arena. Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Ending battle. Go.
Hey, you can't fly!
I didn't. What? When do you get a bow?
No. Oh, my God.
I win. And I get to heal myself.
I hate you.
You gonna go? One more round.
Hold up.
Because we are 2 minutes over. Ready, set, go.
Wow. No. Ah!
Okay.
Okay, we have to sort our stuff out.
I'm just grabbing whatever I grab. And if you have my elytra, I'm gonna kill you. What if it went in the fire?
It did, dude.
No, it didn't.
Yes, it did.
Let me see your inventory.
Okay,
Get
I'll
it here.
give it to you. And I got your boots, but I want all my other stuff back.
Okay, here you can have your stupid pants. And have your stupid sword.
Where are you?
Put it on my helmet. And my pants. And my boots and my sword. My boots. And my elytra. Thank you.
I actually got all my stuff back.
Okay. Okay, so later guys, we will see you in the next video.